Bubuhat na natin. Kailangan may muscle. Hey guys! It's been a long time since we last made a vlog. A day in the life. This is my twin. So this is a day in the life of...
I'm Sky, by the way.
Yes. The newly married twin. I'm Star. And this is Sky.
Yeah.
Ayan. So guys, not very single but yes single and very available. My twin sister. Pinipressure ko siya kasi guys, kakakasal ko lang last week. So, pinahiram ako ng husband ko for 4 days. Sabi niya, mapahiram ko for 4 days. Oy! Grabe siya, clingy. Ngayon lang siya yung ganun ka clingy, but ganon. I'm sure you're
honeymoon stage.
Yes, honeymoon stage kami. Kahit 6 years na kami. Honeymoon. Ayan, so right now, we're going to show you what it looks like. Saan tayo pupunta? Anong agenda natin for today?
We will first go to SMBF.
Yes, SMBF. Doing a little...
errands, yeah, girl thing.
Correct. Tsaka mag-grocery kami ng mga essentials lang. Kasi si Sky yung nagmamanage ng inventory namin sa bahay. Inventory meaning yung mga care essentials, lahat. Toiletries. So, memorize yan. Hindi pwedeng walang extra.
Hindi ko memorize.
Correct. Minsan, wala nang stock na extra. Para sa kanya, wala nang stock. Kahit na meron pa naman. Ilaman naman yung bottles.
Always be ready.
Yes. So, ngayon, first time namin mag-grocery na may sarili na akong stock. Yes. Kasi separate na. Since I already live with my husband. Pero, minsan pumupunta kami or hinahatid niya ako sa house ng family namin. Kasi nga, my mom wants to teach some house chores pa, paano gawin and all, paano gamitin yung washing machine para daw hindi naman, alam mo yun, parang nakaupo lang ako sa house nila Gigi. I need to know more.
Hindi, tsaka wifey stuff, wifey things, mommy things.
Wife duties.
Yeah.
Ayun. So, we'll get back to you guys.
Just busy driving, very serious.
By the way, I'm already at 25 weeks married. 25 weeks pregnant and 2 weeks or 3 weeks married. 3 weeks ba? 3 weeks.
You should know.
Yes. But I'm still very excited for the church wedding kasi talaga yung honor namin. That will be very soon, hopefully. And syempre, mas more preparations and all. So, see you guys later.
Zia!
Hi guys! I'm Star again.
I'm Sky.
And we are twins. So, this will be a Q&A portion since it's just 9:48 a.m.
Yeah, we're inside the mall, parking muna.
Yes.
Because sarado pa nga.
And it opens at 10 o'clock. Exactly 10 o'clock. So, I'll be asking a few questions lang about a life of a twin. A twin sister. With a twin sister.
Yeah, who just got married.
Who just got married. So, my first question is, what's the feeling of not having me as your roommate? Kasi ever since we were born, roomies na talaga kami since
sa tummy pala.
Of the facts about me, hindi ko kayang matulog mag-isa. So, talagang kahit may option na pwede kaming mag-own room, no, it's a no. Because look at our faces. Like, isa lang siya, how can you not, make the bed forever? So,
true.
What is the feeling?
The feeling is... like, syempre, feeling lonely. Like, mag-asawa na lang ako para may katabi na.
Yes. Usually, naririnig niya, alam niya pag nagigising ako, gising din siya. Sabi niya, parang gano'n.
Kasi binabantayan ko siyang matulog. Hindi talaga ako natutulog kasi may vampire.
Okay.
Yun, nakakamiss, syempre. Like, before you sleep and pagising na parang nandun si Star, ganyan. Na parang minsan magpapasama pa pagka mag-washroom. Ganyan.
Hindi ko kayang bumaba mag-isa.
Yes.
So, it's either siya or si Serena. Pero si Serena kasi naka-own room. A very independent girl and sometimes, yes, anti-social or I don't know.
Yeah. Yun. But at the same time, of course, I'm excited for you kasi sa bagong life, sa bagong experience, and I know that you are loved and happy. lalo na sa pag-decorate. I mean,
Yeah.
nyo ng room na
That's
parang
the
pang
very
sa
exciting
inyo.
part,
Yan, halos lahat ng gamit bago. I mean, not because it's bago, pero parang alam mo yun, yung mga binibili nyo is, yun yung gusto nyo. So, parang exciting part lang na parang yung experience ng
Actually,
stuff and
yes.
cutesy stuff.
Doon kami excited kasi
Mhm.
parang
It's an adventure.
it's a first din na talagang tumira ako sa kanila after the wedding. So, lahat ng bago na pwedeng bilhin, ipa-remake sa room, yun yung nilolook forward namin right now, especially for both of us. And we're getting to know each other more. Hindi lang pala yung 6 years, meron pa palang bagong things na we can learn about each other.
And discover.
Yes. The second question is, what are the changes that happened nung nawala na ako sa house? Yung ulam na namin nung tira, sabi ni Serena. Sabi niya, usually pag breakfast, talagang sakto yung ano namin kasi ganun kami
Nauubos
kumain
namin.
ng junk, especially like breakfast. Ngayon, nung nawala daw ako, may tira. That's a very new thing.
Tsaka, for some reason, yung changes, hindi kami madako ni Serena pag wala ka. Pero pag nanan siya, ayun na, like parang go, biglang parang
sila, they
we're
want.
eating more than we can.
Mm-mm.
Or what we
Hindi ko alam
like,
kung
more than what we normally eat.
parang sila yung naglilihi for me or
Mm.
something. Kasi I don't feel any lihi. I just want to eat. Parang ano, normal. Which is my normal thing. Hindi naman siya bago. So, feeling ko hindi siya lihi. Kasi, diba, usually pag lihi, you want a specific thing ng paulit-ulit. Pero, walang naman. I mean, I just want the things I really crave for ever since. Nothing new. Hindi siya specific or, alam mo yun. Ayun. And then, next, how are our parents acting? I mean, as you know, the house without Star. Kasi yung mom ko, super alam mo, nagsabi talaga yung husband kasi Gigi, sabi niya, pahiram niya, parang natitiri-eyed talaga siya. Sabi ko,
Sino na teary-eyed?
si mama, nung sinabi sa kanya, parang, hindi naman teary-eyed, pero parang alam mo yun, parang siguro nagiging emotional sila kasi ako yung first child nila na talagang kinasal. So, this is very new to them, yeah. And lola pala.
So, sa parents, hindi ka nila ma-ask directly kasi baka ma-pressure kayo ni G, pero parang, kailan daw sister uwi? Dito, ganyan. Anong oras daw, ganyan. Tapos, anong tawag dito? Every time I mention you, kunyari pag may kwento ka, ganyan, ganito, nagsasmile sila agad.
So yun, nagpi-PM tuloy siya minsan. I mean, si Papa na parang, ay, nakamusta ka dyan? Kailan ka uwi? Pero yun, so, I miss them so much.
So, yun yung parents. Si Lola, syempre kagabi, super talkative for the ask ng lahat. Anong nagawa mo doon? Syempre,
Yun nga.
nagpapakwento, ganyan.
So,
Kasi
update lang. Although, they accept na, I mean, they are slowly accepting naman. Ganun talaga ang sagot nga nila lagi. Ganyan talaga, may asawa ka na, pero after that, kailan ka babalik? Sabi ko, kala ko ba okay lang?
Of course, you missed our
Yes.
store.
Tsaka guys, ang lapit lang naman namin ni Gigi sa house. So, you know, we're like 10 to 15 minutes away. So, sobrang dali lang naman bumisita. So, what's gonna be? So, I think yun lang yung questions ko. Kasi baka maging podcast
Ako naman
na
yung
to. Ay, oo nga. Sige, isang question na mo.
Okay. Well, what is the difference of being in a relationship and being in a marriage?
Being in a relationship, parang mas may ano siya, what do you call this? Mas less yung pressure sa partner. Kasi parang hindi ginagalaw mo yan. So, less yung pressure sa partner. Kasi nga parang ayoko siyang i-lock na parang, alam mo yun na no, it's forever or gonna be
Unless married.
Oo, parang ganun. Siyempre, always looking forward ako ever since ng relationship na magpropose siya and all, kakasal kami. Pero until hindi yun dumating, parang ayokong mang-pressure na sarili ko din, not just sa kanya, na you know, parang kami na talaga forever. Pero nung dumating yung time na we were engaged, parang mas naging calm ako na, alam mo yun, parang parang kahit umalis siya, hindi ako kasama or whatever, parang mas comfy, mas nagkaroon ng trust.
Security.
Yes, and may commitment. So parang, alam mo yun, hindi ko rin alam na ganun yung feeling. Yun nga. Tsaka it's very, surprisingly, kahit parang mas may pressure, mas calming siya. Kasi kapag you know that the person is the right person for you, parang may trust talaga na mahahalo pag nag-propose na siya. So, yeah. Pero kasi 6 years, you know, is 6 years. So, ang haba din niya. So, we got to know more about each other din. Tsaka, feeling ko din naman din siya mag-propose kung hindi naman namin na-build yung trust. Hindi naman yun agad. Ang dami din namin challenges na pinagdaanan and all. Pero ngayon, isa yung goal namin, yun nga, to start our family and be with each other's support, parang ganun. So, we're very happy and excited. Ang dami namin in-order. Sana pala nag-unboxing video ako. Pero kasi hindi siya fan of videos. Pero supportive daw siya. When I want to take videos, go na. So, kailangan naka-dress up na kami pag nag-video. Siyempre, nakapambahay kami also. Yun ako. So happy for you. Thanks so much! So, yun guys. Pasok na kami sa mall. Naging, ano na to? Podcast. See you guys later.
Wait lang, natatanggal lang ako leg. Wait.
So, a very rare moment na magkasama kaming mag-grocery.
Usually, paki-ice mo yung likod. Kabit mo yung ano.
Si Sky lang yung nagsha-shop for, you know, what we want. Kasama si Serena. So, here I am with us. I mean, with her. I'm just fixing the tripod. Laki ng arms pa iyo. Ay, picture. So, let's go. Ang una niyang agenda is
Wala
to
sa
find a new
listahan.
home. Wala sa lista. Kaya daw minsan, wala naman sa list niya, pero napapabili siya.
Parang laki.
Kasi, you know, it's needed. So, okay na.
Oh, this is there. Pero
Send it to me, you want? Sige.
send ko mo.
Go.
Wait lang ha.
Ayan, let's go.
Okay, so we go first. Shampoo and conditioner.
Shampoo and conditioner. Ako, ang nasa list ko lang naman is Milo. Kasi mauubos ko yung stock nila.
So, i-times 2 natin yung Milo.
Oh yeah, because you
basket
also need
conditioner,
coffee. No, it's part of my outfit,
Thanks.
so I don't wanna. May snack section. Baka may need ka from the snack section.
Last na yan.
Chips. Wow. Expert. Last na yun.
Okay, wait. Malapit na tayo sa conditioner.
Tissue. Wait, daan
Yes,
tayo.
tissue. Ito.
Meron din here.
Ito pala, ito.
Yeah. Kami din kasi I bought a tissue holder. This is madami.
Ay, girl, ang haba.
Kasi parang ang laki. Wala bang mas maliit?
Wala yung... Ay, hindi yata ito yung mga tissue roll na lahat.
Hindi ko paabot naman yun. Yun, cheers. Ay, ito? Yung isa. Ito na lang pala, Sanicare. Ay, kaso ang laki. Hindi kasya saan.
Teka, tissue roll. Wait lang, ito yata yun eh.
My
Saan pala?
gosh, hello, Panda, guys. This is like my favorite. So, cool. Wala sa list ko, but... Where's Sky? Bigla na lang nawala. So
Star.
hard pala na mag-grocery. Ang dami mong madadaan.
Star, kuha na lang kayo here.
Alo, tinan mo siya. Tinuhaan yung buong
Ako may
bahay.
asawa?
Yes.
Isa lang?
Oo. Aba.
Gusto ko kasi mag-stock na sa...
Ayan na naman siya. Gusto niya na naman. Ang dami kong bumili. Tahan na natin siya. Paki-open. Zero. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Parang dito yung Milo, no?
Yeah.
Tsaka coffee. Uy, baka mabigat.
Ayoko na nahihirapan sa store. You have Celetec?
Yeah. Ayaw niya daw ako nahihirapan, pero iniiwan niya.
Oh. Hold on. So,
Milo man.
there.
Ayan na naman siya. Napunta. Ayan, hanapin natin siya kasi bigla siyang nawawala. I think I found her. Ayan. Ayan.
Guys, nawawala ako. May mga nakikita kasi ako na
Paki-flip.
kailangan. How do you flip?
Nope. You need to... She's back. Okay na. Tara na.
Yes. Asan mo? Ba't parang kulang to?
Kulang pa daw, guys.
Sa mind ko pa lang
Ayan.
pala na lista. Head and Shoulders shampoo.
Shampoo. Dito yun. Dito. Yun o.
Now we talking. Hindi. Shampoo. Where is it? Conditioner.
Yun.
Simula ngayon, magkaiba na kami ng conditioner ni Serena.
So, yun na nga, guys. Before pa lang parating ang section ng Milo, ang dami pa namin Milo. Ang dami pa namin pinagdaanan ng mga aisle na kailangan niyang mag-stop para makakuha ng mga items.
Sorry, get lang ha.
Okay na?
Okay. Feminine wash.
Feminine wash daw. So yun na nga guys, di pa rin kami nakakarating sa coffee section.
Pala.
Kasi hindi pa siya tapos. Nawala na
and
naman.
liquid.
So let's wait for her to come back. Tingnan natin kung ano oras siya makakabalik. It's already 10:30. Wala.
Hand liquid soap pala yun.
No. So paano? Wala.
Ayun na tayo, Milo muna.
Wow.
Stress. Nakaka-stress pala.
na kami. Sa Milo's.
Usually, kung mag-isa lang ako dito, I'm fanicky.
Actually, pwede ako mag-coffee once a day. Pero kasi, you know, my husband is very strict. You know, he loves me so much. Ay,
Sorry.
And the baby, of course. Mas love niya pa nga. So, yeah.
Let's get na rin.
And then our coffee sa house.
Okay, coffee.
Wala.
Oh no. Wala.
Sadly.
Ay. Baka dito.
Oo nga. Ito. Here. Ako meron.
Ano?
Ano yan? You need coffee.
Anyway, night pads. They're sakto. We're on the right track, baby.
Sige.
Hi, Twin Star!
And, right here. Not there, here.
Wait lang. Konti lang.
Oops.
Kalmado na kami bumili ng napkin ngayon kasi
Depende.
dalawa na lang kami na nagdanap.
Ano yung kalmado? Let's go.
Okay. Feminine wash, wala.
Impossible.
Cereals.
Ay, doon.
Dito na ba rin ako nahirapan mag-U-turn
Okay.
na mag-U-turn?
Ako nahirapan.
Ay, itong strong trekking na ito.
Okay, I think I'm having a baby boy para hindi ako mahirapan. Like, hindi ako masela. There.
Saya, madami na po tayong nag-check. Malapit na po tayong matapos.
Yeah,
Uy, siya kumuha ng Hello. Siya lang yung may Hello Panda. Kaya
Hindi ko
si
sila
Dad.
kinuha.
Samantalang pag kami nag-grocery, ay, sige. What do you like? What cereals? You like Coco Crunch?
Yeah, then Honey Star. Wala nang Choco Crispies before meron.
Can we buy this for backpack?
Mas gusto niya yan. Ako.
Sige. Hindi, I mean after that. Ito na. Cereal. Sige na. Yung feminine wash for some reason hindi natin makita.
Let's see. Last check kung meron. Tsaka yung Dove, wala. And yung
Dapat yata
coffee,
sa
paano
kabila ako.
yun?
Wala. Usually wala talaga here.
Wow, memorizing.
Gusto ko yung sumasali talaga ako sa camera.
Dito
Lumipat ba?
natin mahanapin yung feminine wash. Kasi saan mapupunta?
Facial wash.
Facial wash.
Baka dito.
Go. Check.
Sir.
Ice Sky here!
Okay, I'm coming.
Ayun, no? Kasi ba't yan lang?
Kaya, kulang. Anyway, next time na lang yan. Be good.
So guys, we're just gonna pee and get back to you later. Click the... Sky is practicing as a wife.
I need a boyfriend. Na magbubuhat na natin. Kailangan na yung muscle.
Yes, sexy. So sa akin yung magaan right now kasi
Ito na yung damit ko.
Reggie Perks.
Kahit ako yung mukhang t-shirt.
Ano siya nagla-live sa iyo? Pamain daw.
One piece.
Okay, BRB. Hindi nila kinuha ko ng t-shirt.
Kasi wow.
Wala po siyang kinuha kaya. Kasi hindi nakabalot. Ba't
Ba't naman ang humahabal ng mga guards sa akin? Nakakalabas mo nito sa girl.
Hindi naman siguro siya mukhang magnanakaw. Okay, bye guys.
Oh my God.
Meanwhile, hey guys, we're done sa SMBF. Mag-ocular naman kami right now kasi we plan to open a franchise, another franchise na. But secret pa siya. Soon yung review. Here. So we're paying the parking ticket na and then ocular time. Ubus na agad yung Hello Panda before pa nakabili. Gosh. Take photos of the contact numbers para we can message them and call them kung ano yung details about the spaces, commercial spaces. Kasi may requirement yung brand in terms of the store. So, pwede siyang to-go type, pwede rin namang may dine-in. Pero, for me, kapag ganito, any naman. Kasi, feeling ko parang more on mabook din naman yung market dito sa BF. So, it's most likely magbook sila ng Foodpanda, GrabFood for delivery. Kasi hindi naman foot traffic yung malakas dito sa... Ayan, may space ba dyan?
Ready to photo phone sa pag-picture.
Okay.
Kasi I don't know where we're going.
Yeah. Basta makakita ng clear gold, diretso lang naman. Tapos U-turn na tayo. We can take photos of the spaces available. So, yun guys. BRB. We're gonna take photos of the commercial spaces available. So guys, nagpagas na kami and papacheck kami ng tires. We're very productive kasi nagawa namin yung SM. Nagawa namin yung ocular ng very quick. And then, ito nga, papacheck kami ng tires. Good job, Sky and Star. So hey guys, we're done with our errands for today. First, yung SM na grocery. Second, okay. Third is we had the tires checked. And then fourth, may binili kami na parcel sa JN. So, thanks for watching. I'm Star again.
And next time.
See you next vlog.